Our world has changed, yet we found ways to connect, reinvent our businesses, reimagine the future, and solve the unsolvable. We've also reimagined CES. The all-digital CES 2021 will bring together the global tech community to form valuable partnerships, champion visionary ideas, and share solutions that will improve lives. You'll glean insights from pioneering thinkers, explore the next generation of innovation in dynamic product showcases, and build networks to fuel your business. Engage with the brands, thought leaders, and industry contacts you care about. From the global importance of digital health and resilience to the life-altering advancements in smart cities, vehicle tech, and entertainment, the entire technology ecosystem will come together at CES 2021. We're ready to show the power of technology. We're ready to face challenges together. We are CES ready.